Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way out and I just have simple nothing, but I wanted to test out this brow soap. That's how it's looking. I'm gonna show you as I go. This is gonna be a very short video, but I wanted to test it out and show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button, join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and let's see how we did. I wet it. It does work. Let me see. Now let's try to use that brush. There it is. So now I'm gonna take this brush no ma'am. That didn't work. But now I'm gonna take this one and then I'm just going to let's see something. Let me take this brow pencil. So I don't know, because that's how it looks. So what do you think? This I think was a fail, but like, I don't know about this. I'm still not too, I don't know. This, I don't know. So I think this does work. It feels hard right now. Like, I'm gonna try to do the other one. I'm gonna do it again and then I'll be right back. All right. I'm not sure how I feel. I feel like I have to give it a little bit more time and then we shall see, but so you let me know. I wanted to try the brow soap from TeMu and try to mix it with this brush from TeMu, which I really had high hopes for. And then I finished it with the liner, which is also from TeMu. So it's kind of like a TeMu brow. I just don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's because my makeup's not on, but let me know what you think. Okay, so I put a little foundation. Well, not foundation, concealer, just so I can get a bit of an idea if I like it or not. I mean, I like how this one kind of looks. This one, not so much. Let me know what you guys think. And it's kind of shiny. But let me know what you guys think. I know this is short, but I just wanted to test it out. I'm in the middle of, you know, testing stuff out. So